quick reading for March the 1st to March the 2nd, Aries. Your cards are the Nine of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Eight of Wands. Siguro medyo stress tayo ngayon dahil bakit ang tagal ng pag-aantay natin, no, kay person. Bakit hindi pa nag-a-approach, or baka si person din ito, you may switch the roles, no, or the energies. What I'm reading here is the dynamic. Baka kasi nawiwindang din si person, no, bakit hindi ka pa rin nag-a-approach din sa kanya. So either parehas kayo nag-aantayan, parehas din kayo nai-stress. Pero with the Eight of Wands, it kind of make me feel like there is actual mountains in here, no, sa depiction na ito. And that is the depiction of being strong. And that mountain is, parang reaching the rose. Ang rose medyo nasa taas. So it kind of make me feel the rose represents the girl. So ang mag-a-approach pa rin is si boy, no, or kung itong LGBT, kung sino yung top, no, or kung sino yung masculine, rather top talaga. Anyway, you know what I mean. You get what I mean. So, magkakaroon ng movements. So, this is your quick reading for March the 1st to March the 2nd, Aries.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me